What's the meaning of beta version? Beta version. Beta version.
Beta version. Beta version. A beta version is a preliminary version of software or hardware that is released to the public for testing and feedback. It is typically the second stage of development after the alpha version, which is tested internally by the developers. Beta versions are generally considered to be feature complete but may still contain bugs and issues that need to be ironed out. They are often released to a select group of users or the general public to gather feedback and identify any issues before the final version is released. Beta versions can provide valuable insights into user needs and preferences, which can help developers improve the final product.